Okay, yes, welcome back to another episode with your boy back in Mauritius again. So today we've got a bit of a day out again. So this one we're going to be going to Cascade Mamzelle, which is basically Mamzelle is like woman, mademoiselle kind of thing, and Cascade's waterfall, so it's the woman waterfall. Yeah, they come up with mad names here. But yeah, so I'll be doing that. As on the way, I'll also be going to Grand Bassin, which is basically Big Basin.
And also getting his rotis ready-made.
Come on, hot, straight out. Gotta love the street food. Yeah, so stay tuned with the videos. I'll get them vlogging, see the journey, and yeah, see a bit more Mauritius. Best street food go. And I know that's rude to eat, to talk with your mouth full, but too good. This is roti, the dal puri. There's some jibbeh fruit over there which I've seen, which I haven't had yet as well. That's some banging food as well. And some sashimi, butter beans, butter puree, so it goes.
Do you want some jibbeh fruit? Do you want to show us what they are?
Yeah, let me show you. So basically, here now, we look at the range of food that you have here. So jibbeh fruit is in the far left corner. You got, that's aubergine,
Yeah.
gatakima, samosas, bajaj.
Yeah. And then jalebi.
Jalebi as well. Yeah. Definitely. All for like what? I mean, how much was this?
Well, I think 15 rupees.
Right, so 15 rupees. So I paid like...
Not even a quid for two.
50 rupees is a pound. So,
Yeah.
I paid like 10p. 10p for 2 rotis.
Good.